how to enable dark mode in Chrome on PC. This tutorial shows you how to switch Google Chrome to dark mode on your Windows 11 PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on the three dots at the top right to open the Chrome menu. At this point, click on Settings. From there, click on Appearance from the left side panel. After that, click on the drop-down next to Theme or Mode. In the next step, select Dark to switch Chrome to dark mode. From there, Chrome will immediately switch to a dark interface, including the toolbar, tabs, and settings pages. Once done, open a new tab and browse a few pages to confirm dark mode is applied throughout Chrome. Following this, if the dark mode option is not available directly in Chrome settings, you can enable it through Windows settings instead. From here, right-click on your desktop and click on Personalize. At this stage, click on Colors and set your Windows mode to dark. Chrome will automatically follow the system dark mode setting. After this, go back to Chrome and confirm it is switched to dark mode following the system setting. Keep in mind, not all websites support dark mode natively, so some pages may still appear in light mode even with this setting enabled. This depends on how the website is designed. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable dark mode in Chrome on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next